Well, I think Somerset was our last load for Indiana Transport. We are officially deleasing. I got some other stuff lined up, so you'll see. Wow, missed the top of the back of the truck. We took it to the truck wash, but we got a couple things locked in, so we're going to be hauling some trailers for a contractor. Not sure exactly how that is all going to go, but you move trailers from one site to another site or something like that. So I don't really know the whole details of that yet, but when we get a call on that, I'm guessing we'll figure that out, but it pays really well. Andy Bobtail, he pulled his trailers, so anyway, but you'll probably see something of that later on coming up, and whenever we get to that deal. And our other deal that we got locked in, we're gonna go haul some beans again. So there's 700,000 bushels that have to get moved in 29 days. And it's for the guy that I used to haul for, but I'll be running my truck and not his. So I'll be doing that. We'll either go into Sheldon, Iowa, and that'll come from Remsen, or we'll be going from Remsen down to Sergeant Bluff, which is Sioux City essentially. But yeah, so 8 trucks, 29 days, and 700,000 bushel of beans to get hauled. So we'll see how that works. But I've got to get Indiana Transport plate taken off. I got to get the ELD out. I've already got the number switched over. I've been kind of working on that. And then we're gonna buff the truck, Kenworth MHC. You need to get some new detailers over there because this is horrible. There's the marks, zigzag zebra marks everywhere all over the truck. So we're gonna go through and rebuff the whole truck. I already got the top of the hood done. I just wanted to see how it was gonna turn out, and it turned out all right. So now I'm gonna try and do the whole truck. So, you know, you can learn how to do anything on YouTube. But we went and washed it, got a lot of the sand and dust off before I start getting crazy with that. There's water spots everywhere, but that's all gonna come off. But yeah, that's our plan for today. And so ELD plates, I think that's all I have left to get off. My apportion plates should be coming. Got all that stuff taken care of on Friday. So Monday, this is Sunday today, but so Monday, I got a lady that takes care of all that stuff for me here in Marcus. So Mother Trucker, not the same guy that has the Asian Mai show. But yeah, she's taking care of all that for me. So Monday I should have all my stuff. Obviously the plates will probably come in later because they mail that. So I'll have a temp tag to put in the windshield for now. And the name change is official on Friday. That all came in. So Easy RV is no more, and now it's Van Ypern Trucking. So, but anyway, let's get to polishing. Ooh, a Brazilian. I've always wanted a Brazilian. You can see yourself. It's not like it's showroom quality, it's a work truck, but for me, just kind of, you know, trying it with the buffer. I mean, we buff campers and stuff, but fiberglass ones, but for MHC doing a detail on this, I think I did way better. Maybe I should, you know, apply for a job there. No more ELD. All right. The only thing we got left is the license plate. And everything is off the truck. And then I'll get mine hopefully put back on tomorrow, or the temp tag put in. But we're done polishing. It ain't perfect, but I believe all the zebra stripes are out of it that were in it. And turn the light off. Inside the truck needs a good cleaning as well, but we'll see how much time we have tomorrow and then we'll get to that. All right, it's Monday. We're getting everything tidied up and finished up. Got the license plate on, which was mine from originally, but that one's expired, so I had to call the courthouse and see if I had to get a new license plate or not. And they'll just send me a new sticker to put on it, so we'll be good. I'm only licensed in the truck for 2 months with these plates anyway. I have to wait for my IRP plates to come in. They said that could take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, so I just did 80,000 on the Iowa plate for right now, and then I have till December 8th. So in Iowa, if you're hauling agricultural, oh man, I gotta refresh my brain on it. I think it's is it 89,600? I think we can weigh until December 8th. Then after that, I'll have to buy the annual permit so I can run heavy. But I want to wait until I get my IFTA plate on here and go from there. So right now it's kind of finagled just to make everything legal and work and whatnot. And then called Indiana Transport. And I'm currently suspended and inactive from their app. So it is official. I am deleased from Indiana Transport. Yeah, otherwise today. Oh yeah, I got the cord. So I'm gonna leave my forklift plug on here. So I had an extension cord that would go from there, and then it took up to my trailer for the winch. And I didn't want to do much rewiring for the tarp. So all the trailers that we got have electric tarps. They have a plug-in like this. So I just put another forklift plug on there. So I'll just plug it into there. Then I can plug this into the trailer, and then the electric tarp will work. So I didn't have to go rewiring a bunch of stuff and put another plug-in on. I just made another extension cord essentially. And then I got to figure out on this truck, they have another 7-way wired up with a bunch of auxiliary switches for whatever they had for a trailer, whoever owned it before. All the hopper trailers all have the small little blue 4-pin plug on it, the little round one for the tag axle. So I got to see if I can make a 7-way to a 4-way, or I'll just put another. Yeah, I probably won't. I'll probably just make an adapter to go from the 7-way to the 4-way. I just have to figure out what wires do what, and then yeah, then I'll have my tag axle switch too. So yeah, like I said, it's official. We're done. We're deleased, and insurance is all swapped over. That was painful. Had to get that. Well, I got the deposit back one before I went to Indiana Transport because I canceled everything, and then now I had to pretty much give that deposit back. So that was a quick $2,000 gone. But yeah. I don't know. No driving in this video, but we are deleasing. We are all set up to haul hoppers. And then, of course, the dealership calls today that we pull for. He's got 2 campers ready, so now we got to take the pickup out to Indiana and grab one. And then we'll probably have to head out next week and grab one. It's been raining like crazy, and I think our ceiling has a leak. Uh-oh. Huh. That's always good. So, anywho, I think that's gonna do it for this video.